everybody. So we decided to put together a slideshow of different ideas that you might want to use with your classes on the last 2 days of school. Just as a reminder, June 9th will be a gold day and June 10th will be a purple day. We decided to put this together and kind of put it in block order. So you'll see that the blocks are color coded, gold day or purple day, and there's 4 blocks for each day. Basically how we would like you to use these, if you choose, this is totally up to you. If you don't want to do this, or if you want to teach, or you have your own idea for the last day of schools, please feel free to do that. This is not mandatory, but we just wanted to throw some ideas in for you guys to do. Mostly they're just kind of fun, not content related games with things. There's a few virtual field trips available, and I think there's a few escape rooms and random other little games and stuff. So we recommend that you do review the activity that you intend to use with your students before obviously executing it, just so that way you're familiar. And if you have any questions, obviously you can ask us about it as well. So just this on this slide, there's relaxation techniques and virtual tours. So they're cute little virtual field trips. You can click into them. You can use these at any block as students can access it whenever. One of the things that we tried to do was we tried to organize it by blocks. That way, you know, if someone's first and second and third block teachers like the one idea game, they're not playing it over and over again. So we recommend that you stick to the activity in your block. So whatever you found, if you liked an activity for the first block, please only use that with your first block students. If you found an activity for your fourth block students, please only use that activity for your fourth block. All right, so here this is gold 1. A reflection or slideshow reflection option is available at any point because it could just be, it's class related. Here we have some digital escape rooms. I personally recommend playing this just as like a whole class can display it on your board. Then there is categories if you wanted to play that. And then here's some independent games that you could send this link to your students and they can just kind of play it on their own. And here's gold block 2, again, reflection or slideshow reflection. We have a similar to a Pictionary game, a Disney Would You Rather Google presentation. And then there's some puzzles and stuff in here as well for independent games. And again, the independent games you can kind of forward to your students. Group activities you can present on your board and play along with your students. Here's gold block 3. We have a virtual bingo, debates that you can create here. And then here is a brain teaser Kahoot, and they're just kind of little puzzles for students to figure out that if you would like to use that one. And then here's the independent game of a word search for students that you can push out. Here, for gold block 4, we do have the reflection or slideshow option. You could do a detective game. And then there's also a trivia Kahoot. So this is just 2021 trivia, just kind of random pop culture stuff with that. All right, and then so this is now for the last day of school, purple day. Again, you have your reflection and slideshow, the Can You Hear Me Now game, speed Sudoku, and then keyboarding practice for independent games. Here again, so this is purple block 2. You could try to guess the emoji sentence, and then the independent game is your drawing challenge on the YouTube, and then you also always have your reflection and slideshow option. Purple block 3, reflection and slideshow option, the question game, or the Google slideshow this or that. You would need to make a copy of this slideshow. And then also the Disney coloring books. And then purple block 4, we have the reflection or slideshow. And then this is the school-wide Kahoot, where it's teacher trivia. So you probably remember being asked to fill out a Google form with some different trivia about yourself. And that is where you access that if you would like to play that. So again, these are not mandatory. They're just different ideas that you might want to use if you choose to. If you have any questions, please contact us. That is it. So again, not mandatory, but just ideas that you might want to use on the last days of school.